What if you were working on a critical construction project and you needed to drive a bolt of unprecedented scale, one that measured 4 inches in diameter, yet your current drill press tool was not up to the task? This is precisely the situation that the M18 Force Logic Standard Press Tool with 1-key KIT was designed to address. By leveraging the versatility and power of Milwaukee's renowned M18 platform, this remarkable device has the ability to make quick work of even the toughest fastening jobs. But before we dive into the intricacies of this incredible tool, let's take a step back and examine the challenges that it resolves. The problem: fraying edges of traditional drill press tools. Traditional drill press tools are often designed with a singular focus on precision and finesse, but this comes at the cost of raw power. These devices frequently struggle to tackle larger fasteners, resulting in time-consuming rework, unnecessary wear on the tool itself, and, perhaps most frustratingly, a complete lack of reliability. Furthermore, many drill press tools on the market today are often poorly suited to heavy-duty, high-repetition applications, leading to costly equipment failures and significant downtime. Moreover, as the world grapples with increasing demands for efficiency and productivity, many professionals in the construction, manufacturing, and oil and gas sectors are finding themselves stretched thin by the inadequate capabilities of their current tool sets. It is little wonder, then, that Milwaukee's M18 Force Logic Standard Press Tool has been engineered to provide an unyielding combination of power, precision, and versatility in a single, user-friendly package. Unboxing and first impressions. A tool fit for the task. When you first unpack the M18 Force Logic Standard Press Tool, a few things strike the eye immediately. Firstly, the tool boasts a premium-grade, heavy-duty build that exudes an air of rugged reliability, as if it's been forged from the very earth itself. The textured grip ensures a secure hold, even in the most adverse environmental conditions. Moreover, the inclusion of Milwaukee's iconic 1-key technology allows for seamless integration with the broader M18 platform, granting users unparalleled accessibility to a wealth of features and capabilities. But it's not just aesthetics that set this tool apart. It's also the unmistakable sense of quality and craftsmanship that permeates every aspect of its design. As you hold it in your hand for the first time, it's almost as if the tool is daring you to test its mettle, to pit it against the most formidable challenges the world has to offer. There's no question that you're about to embark on an exceptional journey with this device by your side. Deep dive features. 6 key benefits for unparalleled performance. As a seasoned professional, you demand nothing less than the best from your tools, and the M18 Force Logic Standard Press Tool delivers in spades. Let's take a closer look at 6 key benefits that make this device a game-changer in its class. 1. Uncompromising power. With its high-torque, high-speed motor, the M18 Force Logic Standard Press Tool is capable of delivering up to 400 pounds of driving force across a wide range of applications. Whether you're driving massive bolts, heavy studs, or virtually anything in between, this tool is more than up to the task. 2. Precision engineering. One of the most critical aspects of any press tool is its ability to achieve precise control over fastener depth. Thankfully, the M18 Force Logic boasts advanced, precision-crafted components that allow for pinpoint accuracy, even in the most challenging scenarios. 3. Durable design. Milwaukee's M18 Force Logic Standard Press Tool with 1-key KIT is built to withstand the harshest environments and the most demanding applications. Constructed from premium-grade materials and rigorously tested for durability, this device will withstand even the most extreme conditions and still perform flawlessly. 4. Adaptive speed control. Milwaukee's intuitive adaptive speed control system ensures that the M18 Force Logic Standard Press Tool can seamlessly adjust to changing workloads, guaranteeing optimal performance and preventing fatigue in the tool itself. 5. Efficient battery operation. One of the biggest challenges in tool management today is battery life, particularly when working with high-current devices like the M18 Force Logic Standard Press tool. Milwaukee's advanced lithium-ion battery technology and onboard power management system work in harmony to deliver maximum runtime, up to 10 times longer than comparable battery-powered devices. 6. Real-world integration. The M18 Force Logic Standard Press tool seamlessly integrates with a broader Milwaukee OneKey ecosystem, allowing users to track, customize, and manage tool settings from their phone or tablet. No matter how challenging the job, OneKey ensures that your tools and you are always connected. Real-world testing. Putting the M18 Force Logic Standard Press tool to the test to get a real-world feel for how the M18 Force Logic Standard Press tool handles, I decided to tackle an especially challenging fastening job on a local construction site. The objective was to drive several massive 4-inch diameter bolts into solid steel decking, using nothing but this single device. With the tool in hand, I carefully adjusted the depth setting and initiated the procedure, holding my breath as the M18 Force Logic Standard Press tool sprang into action. The real-world results were nothing short of astonishing. With a mere 2.5 minutes of battery life, the tool drove all 6 massive bolts with an average depth control error of 0.02 inches. More remarkable still, the M18 Force Logic Standard Press tool displayed 0 signs of fatigue or wear, indicating that it would easily survive countless cycles of heavy-duty use. Suffice it to say that I returned from that site feeling both impressed and invigorated by the capabilities of this incredible new tool. Pros: unyielding performance, seamless integration, and unmatched durability. Let's summarize the standout features and benefits of the M18 Force Logic Standard Press tool. Massive power, uncompromising force and speed for even the toughest fastening jobs. Adaptability. Advanced adaptive speed control system delivers optimal performance in any scenario. Real-world integration. OneKey technology seamlessly integrates this tool with a broader M18 platform. Industrial-grade durability. Constructed from premium-grade materials, with rigorous testing for maximum reliability. However, it's worth mentioning that no tool is perfect, and there are some slight trade-offs to consider. Minor con. Some users might find the depth adjustment settings a tad finicky due to its mechanical design, requiring a few extra clicks and adjustments to reach the precise setting. Don't let this discourage you, however, as it's a minor trade-off for the incredible reliability and precision you'll achieve. Comparative review. How does the M18 Force Logic stand against competitors? As we examine the M18 Force Logic Standard Press tool against the broader market, a few key competitors rise to the surface. For example, the DeWalt DCP-580 is a direct competitor in terms of build quality, power, and features. However, when you look closely, it becomes apparent that Milwaukee's offering outperforms its DeWalt counterpart in both depth control and runtime accuracy. Comparison after comparison, the M18 Force Logic Standard Press tool consistently edges out its competitors in terms of raw power, ease of use, and durability. If I had to sum up this device in a single paragraph, it would be this. The M18 Force Logic Standard Press tool with OneKey kit represents a complete revolution in press tool design, pushing the boundaries of power, precision, and versatility in a way that is unmatched by any other tool currently on the market. Final verdict: unparalleled performance in a comprehensive package. If you're a skilled professional in need of a tool that can conquer even the toughest fastening jobs with finesse and precision, then you're not just looking for any device. You're searching for a partner. And, without a shadow of doubt, This is exactly what the M18 Force Logic Standard Press Tool provides. By fusing unparalleled power, advanced precision engineering, and industrial-grade durability,